going to show you how to clean old toys that have been in storage for a long time and probably even had some mice. Some of these are plastic, some of them are cardboard and paper, so we're going to be treating them differently. We'll start with a bin of bleach water. Old toothbrush will work great for scrubbing these parts. Disassemble any parts that can come apart, and we want to thoroughly dunk these in the bleach water and scrub all the grooves, all the nooks and crannies with this old toothbrush to really get it clean. This part has a large sticker on it, but we're putting it in bleach water anyway, just not as long as the other pieces. These toys bring back a lot of memories. Rinse them off in clean water, and you can set them in a box or a piece of cardboard to dry. Now we have a rocking chair and a bunch of little pieces from a tea set and Tiffany lamp and all kinds of things. We're going to just dump these in. We've got the Victrola and all the teacups rinsed off and they're ready to dry. This will be a fun one. It's a player piano, but it's pretty dirty and it's got some labels on here that will likely come off as we do this. You can see it's already curling, but we do want it to be clean, so we'd rather have it be clean and be able to use it. We got a lot of dirt off. Even rinsing it, there's a lot of mouse tracks and dirt and debris. So we want to make sure this is safe for kids to play with. We'll rinse everything one last time with soapy water. When these have air dried, they'll be ready to play with. Now these cardboard panels, we're going to use alcohol instead of bleach water so it doesn't soak through. Bleach would tend to destroy this, but rubbing alcohol won't. Spray it on well so it's completely soaked on top. It's going to evaporate very quickly, but we'll wipe it before it does. Okay, now you can see how dirty that first round was, so we definitely need to do that again. So we'll spray it for a second round, and this time I'll use a white napkin so I can be sure and see what dirt is coming off from the second round. Here we go. All right, it looks like we're starting to take the color off, so that's as far as we're going to take it. And we're absolutely going to do the back too. This cardboard panel was folded in half, so the inside of this looks in very good condition. We'll go ahead and spray it anyway. And you can just see the grime that's coming off the outside. Here's the little tea set I used to play with my sister. The mice may not have gotten these, but we are going to make sure they're clean to play with. Here's a little doll dress that I sewed, but you can see a mouse got to it and it's pretty dirty, so we're going to start with soapy water. It didn't take long to get that water dirty. Now everything is safe and clean to play with. It may look a little worn, but it's clean.